My goodness, you may have seen 2 other live videos that are very short show up. I'm having quite the morning. I couldn't get my phone to rotate in the right direction. So anyways, 3rd time is the charm. And I'll tell you what, it's been a crazy morning anyways, because I almost didn't do the video, right? Because I was sitting there and I'm thinking, I don't actually have a topic. And usually I do. You know, I'm a business coach, and I always tell my clients, have a plan, do a spreadsheet, you know where you're going. You're not going to get there unless you know where you're going. And man, I just didn't have a topic today. I had nothing. But then I thought, you know what? Sometimes you just show up, and that's what you do. And showing up is a good thing. You know, I don't know how many times you've been in a situation where, you know, a friend is in need, you know, because something bad happened to them. You know, maybe they're having problems with their kids, or their husband left them, or, you know, some tragedy, and you're sitting there thinking, well, I don't want to go see them because I don't know what to say. But really, showing up is the best thing. You know, if you don't show up, well, you certainly aren't going to help. So sometimes just being there is the best that you can do, and it's just maybe just perfect. So I'm showing up today, and I don't have anything to say except that, wow, let's just show up. I don't know if you can see it, but there's this really cool school of fish right in front of me. They're like kind of, well, there's a whole bunch of schools of fish. I'm actually sitting in a chair on one of those little plastic chairs in the river. I'm actually up to my knees in the water because I just thought it looked so cool to sit in it. I am also being eaten up by mosquitoes for some reason this morning, but you know, life's not perfect all the time. But the schools of fish are really cool. The sun rising's awesome. The water lapping's great. The birds chirping are great. It's a good day. So I'm going to leave you guys to watch the sunrise, and hope you guys have a great day.